I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, we're going to talk about it. But first, I've got two amazing altcoin setups. We're going to see huge returns. It's going to need some patience, right? You got to have patience on these two smaller cap cryptos. I'll be covering those at the end along with Rune. So definitely stay tuned for some must hold altcoins. Banging. So this is the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Bitcoin is just working sideways in this range. Not much to talk about, but one thing that's important about this idea, so this is a bull flag. This is supposed to break higher. It's supposed to run to like 37,000, possibly 40,000. If you get any type of dip, you're going to get a bunch of buyers jumping in because they want a piece of Bitcoin price action. They missed this move to the upside because it happened quickly. They got caught like a deer in headlights and froze without buying the breakout of Bitcoin, which we've been talking about for extended period of time. Bitcoin is bullish. So the Bitcoin price action is above the 200 SMA on the weekly and the daily. We talked about 31,800 need to be broken on the weekly, and it has been accomplished. Bitcoin small red weekly candle. Not until next Sunday does this weekly candle close. Any type of a small pullback is okay. And then you're looking for, you could see 42,000 out of this push higher for Bitcoin. Bitcoin loses its level, Bitcoin's in trouble, period. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. So one more time, we're going to do $2 a day. You got to sign up for 12 months. I'm going to give you an extra month free. I just listed this on Twitter, so I'm going to take a total of 5 people. These have been filling up real quick. Ride the bull run with us. Right, I want to take as many people to the top as possible. We nailed INJ. We're up 88%. We posted it a couple times. Right here, up 52%. Hook, up 37%. Big time, we nailed it, 35%. Jasmy, up 30%. Now's a great time for a bunch of scalps, and then we'll get into a bunch of midterm holds in the future. Those will be specifically talked about in the spot trading group. All you have to do, email me cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com and we'll get you in the group today. Leverage group, OGN 320%, BLZ 81%, banger after banger. Here, INJ almost 700%. Leverage group's killing it too. Now, let's go to Rune. So Rune, the most important part of this chart as far as the market structure goes, you see down here when Rune started out, got listed on Binance, you had potentially a bull flag right here. Well, this created a level, a key level, right? So Alt H on Tradingview marks that level. You see the price action came down here and double bottomed, and then you got a move to the upside, a huge move, 190% banger out of Rune. Okay, now look at this. Here's our Rune setup. September the 16th, which is right about here. Okay, so we didn't get in at the bottom, but we're still up about 76% on Rune. Right? You got to be in the right coins. That's all there is to it. Rune has tremendous amount of upside. In the bull markets, I mean, look what Rune did previously. Like, it went crazy parabolic. Ran up to $22, right? So again, this is the easy 10, 15x coin. Rune does crazy things in the bull market. It melts faces off. Again, 10 to 15x coin out of Rune. And we're up 76% already. Now, MTV. This, again, it's very important you understand this market structure, right? So you got markdown phase. We laugh about rounded bottoms pay the bills, but notice rounded bottom and then rounded bottom. This is a double bottom, right? W pattern. When this breaks out above this level, parabolic upside, and it did, right? MTV ran up. I mean, it is ridiculous how far this ran up, right? Now, we nailed MTV last cycle, right? Really good at finding these coins. Now, here it is again, MTV, here's your chance. So notice the most important thing here is this, see this is technically a low, and then this is a higher low. right? So that's a bullish idea. And you're putting in, this is accumulation. This is when the whales are buying, they're slowly adding to their bags. And then when altcoins take off, MTV is going to do 30x at least, right? So write down MTV. It's ready to explode to the upside. VRA, this is a coin where they burned their war chest, right? So they had these POV tokens and it needed to be fixed, and they listened to the community and they burned the POV tokens, and they're going to make them into new tokens. So that is fixed. They have, so that tells you, number one, they're listening to the community, right? So more burns changes everything. So they're reducing the token supply. They burn 90 billion tokens. So that really lowers the circulating supply of tradable tokens. They're maintaining value. They're minting new non-tradable tokens for the POV. They're enhancing tokenomics. This is all, this entire POV situation helps, and burning the coins helps the tokenomics, long-term sustainability. It's also an anti-inflation measure, right? Because token burning counteracts the inflationary pressures, which are important for tokens over time. Then they came out and they partnered with Carbon Browser, right? So Carbon teamed up with Verocity Tech to explore anti-fraud integration options for the Carbon Browser and their 7 million users, right? So VRA is listed on the Carbon Browser wallets, and their proof of view, the POV token integration, is underway. So the key is, you want to see these tokens doing things. You want to see the team doing things. They're burning coins. They're making partnerships. Like, they're continuing to grow the project. You want to see, it's very important. You've got to develop. You can't just do nothing, right? You got all these new coins about to come out, and you've got to do something. And they are. VRA right now is in accumulation. And so again, this is where whales are buying. Whales are buying. They're accumulating, because they know later on down here, when this starts to take off, what's going to happen? Everybody's going to start to FOMO into the run-up. We bought it back here in August of 2021. It was a midterm hold idea. We got 380% profits out of VRA. Now VRA all the way down here. So we got in this area, right? So you're able to get in at a lot lower price. Most important thing is you want this base to hold. You don't want to lose this level right down here. But VRA is at fractions of a penny and could easily run up to the same previous high from last time. So let me just give you a number on this. So if that happens, you're looking at 16x, easy 16x coin right here. If you have the patience to hold a coin, obviously it's always best to get in on a pullback to support, right? Zoom in. And if you want to hold, VRA, MTV are solid charts for altcoins. Okay, you've got a lot of upside potential because it's just, they're both in accumulation. This is an important part of, let's look at Bitcoin, right? When Bitcoin's in this accumulation, let's say even back here is even cleaner to see, right? This is accumulation, this is all accumulation, drops down, accumulation, and then it starts to take off. Whales are buying, right? This is all accumulation, markup phase, right? Now we're up here, and this is potentially accumulation still, right? And so this is part of the market cycle, right? Accumulation, it bottomed. This is markdown phase. You go to accumulation, and then markup phase, run up, the halving comes, parabolic price rises out of Bitcoin coming, period. Just understand how the market cycle works. If you're patient and you like to just hold these coins, a ton, we've got a list of coins, AI coins, list of moon bag coins that we're working on. We've got a full team put together in the group. So very important that if you want to just hold coins, and I'm giving you guys a ton of them. So what you got to do is shoot me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I can help you change your life financially forever, period. But you got to be in the right coins. Got to be in the right coins. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.